What's going on, beautiful people? My name is Mick, and I am posting my day trading journey here on YouTube with complete transparency and honesty. And let's hop right into what happened today in the market. I did not take any trades today. I was, for lack of a better term, I had trouble finding entries. So my original goal was to try to play the gap fill at some point today. We had kind of overnight, we sold off a good bit overnight, and so what I'm looking for here is to play the gap fill back to yesterday's low of day, which was 41.64, and around 9 o'clock is when I got in front of my computer, and I'm thinking a couple of things are running through my mind. Number one, there's an obvious double bottom here, and that is, pretty bullish, and it's a pretty clear reversal pattern. And then number two, just looking for a classic gap fill. So I was again keeping an eye on that, just like I was the other day, and looking for any opportunity to trade that. So unfortunately, I didn't find any entries, and that was kind of the story of the day, and that's why I didn't make any trades, because I didn't find any decent entries. So I was trying to keep an eye on entries most of the day, but again, I just didn't want to get caught, and really didn't want to get caught chasing, which obviously in hindsight I think it would have worked out because it pretty much ran up all day. But I mean, unless you were here at 8:45 and ready to pull the trigger on this thing, probably not a fantastic entry. Maybe this pullback in pre-market, but again, that's not there for everybody unless you're trading futures. And then maybe this pullback here near 41.67 would have been like a decent entry. But again, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, on a higher time frame, we're right in an area where it could go either way. So still not feeling too comfortable. We did have a large part for 30, 45 minutes here where it just consolidated, and it was like a 4-point range for the better part of an hour, and just really not exciting. So I just, for most of the day, I sat in front of the computer and just did nothing. So not super exciting. I know I'm still filming this video, but at least getting my thoughts out there. I'd be remiss if I didn't say that I wasn't experiencing some sort of FOMO. Definitely looking back, hindsight's 2020, but definitely wish at some point I could have gotten in on this trade today, but it's not necessary. I am trying to be a better trader, so I think for me it's going to require a higher quality setup, or at least the better version of me. It's going to require a higher quality setup. So, maybe that double bottom, pre-market would have been the best entry. Aside from that, nothing. Maybe the consolidation and then I don't know if you'd call this a double top here or not, but no clear entry, and kind of strange. Again, low volume. So if you look at the middle part of the day, pretty low volume and just not a lot of interest. So that's all I have for you today. I know it's not super interesting, but take care. See you next time. Peace.